Too much information about electronic music production can be very overwhelming, especially for beginners. But hey, now it's time to relax, because in this video I will show you how to start making electronic music on a quick and easy way. First of all, I want to show you the 3 most essential things you need for your start. Number 1. A desktop computer or laptop with acceptable performance under the hood and a headphone jack. Number 2. Your main piece of software, the so-called DAW. You need a software to compose, record, arrange and mix your music. Install the DAW on your computer. Number 3. Grab the headphones you already have. Plug them into the headphone jack of your computer and you're ready.
And please don't listen too loud.
Of course. That's my simple mobile setup. Laptop, DAW and headphones is all I need. Most of the established DAWs include really good stock plugins like synthesizers, samplers and effects. That's basically all you need to make electronic music. I mean, you can draw sequences, melodies and automation all in the box. What I want to tell you is a quick start has never been as easy as it is today. I mean, 20 years ago, that was a different topic. And today we live in great times with great opportunities. I mean, you can make electronic music with just a laptop. And you can also watch a lot of helpful videos about electronic music production here on YouTube, for example. By the way, if you find this video helpful, give me thumbs up, send me some love in the comments down below and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to ring the bell. Ring the bell. I have another really cool beginner tip for you. If you have a smartphone, hit record, add some effects and make a loop out of it. I mean, listen. That's fun. I know, it's not the best high-end quality, but you can record something and you can start experimenting with your own samples. That's cool. So keep it simple, learn the DAW of your choice, work with what you have and be creative. In the next step you could think about setting up a basic home studio, but that's a different story. I will tell you. See you in the next video. Come on, we're done here. Let's eat something. Come on. And Hank, turn off the light. Thank you.